Hello, how are you? Okay, so we're continuing with the lessons on how to make chess pieces, and this particular video is on how to make the queen. That is the queen. There are other videos on my site in the other pieces, and we've got the king to go after this, and that's the last piece. The king was done previously, but the volume didn't turn out, so it's going to be done again after the queen, and that's the last piece, as I repeat. And then after that we've got the board. So we draw our queen here to your shape, to the shape that you want. I'm not sure if the camera can see the shape here, but there is a picture here. Maybe you're able to see it a little bit anyway, but you can see a lot more here. So just shape it as I tell you the lesson. Just shape it according to the picture. So if you have an original ideas in how to make chess pieces, okay, just draw, and the basic principle is to just cut it into shape. So we go here, cut it here. Okay, now we actually have to go down this way. I hope we can correct this error because we forgot to go down here like this on the other side. To go down here. Actually, we have to cut it here. Just correcting an error here. Okay. Okay, come down here. Okay, so we cut over here. Put it down a bit. And bring it into this position here. Okay. Just like that, just cut it into shape. Now we've got the queen here. Okay, the queen here on another set, which we copy that as a sample to give us an idea of our new piece. And we may do it the same way, or we may do it originally. We'll see as we go along. Okay, so we come here. Then we do the same thing here. Okay. Then we come up here. And over here, get rid of that piece. And as I repeat from the other lesson, it's like sculpturing, like wood carving. Except I do it with a saw. I'm sure how the other artists do it. It's very much like an art. Okay, except you do it by wood rather than pencil and pen, okay, or texture or you know, paints or whatever you're using. I do art as well, as a lot of people may know, as in colour pencils and textures and all that, and paints. But in this case we're doing it out of wood. So come here. Come here. And come here. Okay. Okay, be back in a second. Okay, just 1 second or so. 2 or 3 seconds or whatever. Greetings. So just have a break for a minute just to rest my hand a bit. Well, I rested, but anyway, I'll rest a bit more. We're going to talk about another subject for a couple of minutes. How do you make a round circle, perfectly round circle, with just one of these saws? Especially use a jigsaw or bandsaw, but suppose you say you haven't got them available and you only got a saw to do the job. Well, it's as simple as on your board draw an octagon or something similar. Well, sorry, draw a circle. You draw a circle, and around that circle you draw lines. It could be octagon, it could be a square, it could be whatever. Okay, like a square for example, and then just cut it this way. Okay. Okay, so you've got the circle in between. Now you cut around those straight lines to form kind of like a similar to a circle. So once you do that, you draw with the corners, if there are any more corners, straight lines. So the circle is here, there may be a corner here, you draw it here straight, and you cut that until you get as much as a circle as you can possibly. It wouldn't be perfect, but as much as you can. Then you just sand it around, and if you do it properly, there'll only be a very little sanding, and then you get a perfectly round circle. Although, like I said, it's best to use a jigsaw or a bandsaw. So invest in something like that. Anyway, so here we're continuing in the previous lesson. So we are here, and up to here. So we just come in this way. Just like that, and like this. Okay, and we cut this down here. We cut it here. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we want to cut this here on an angle about here, about this much here. Like I said, you can draw measurements and lines if you want, but we're not going to do that. We're just going to do it. that if you want. Then we repeat that on the other side. So we get that queen look up here. Okay. Okay, we might just straighten this out a bit. And this. Yeah. Okay, you might get that up sandpaper. Okay, so here we want to go in here for this particular piece. We want to come in here. And on the other side, we come here. Then we come up here. Up here. We come up here. Okay. So here. Huh? Yeah, ma. Vale, vale. Yeah. Ευχαριστώ πολύ, μα. Yeah. Θα έρθω τώρα, ναι.
Αφού είναι, δεν κάνει κρύο σήμερα, άνοιξε την πόρτα του.
Θα την ανοίξω τώρα. Okay. That was my mother. She's just telling me she's going to make me some wheat picks, and I'll thank her so much that she is. Thanks to mum. Okay? What will we do without mum? I look after her. You know, we live in the same house here, and I look after her because she's old. But she does a lot of looking after us as well. And she might make us breakfast and that. She's so blessed. I'm so blessed for her. You know, she knows I'm busy now and I haven't had breakfast. And she cares and she's making it for me. I thank her so much. Anyway, this is what we do. We just come here. Okay, so because I was talking, I was going to be out here, be crooked here, a fair bit actually, so I was talking too much. Anyway, so we're just saying that square here. Eventually, we're not going to do it right now, but we square it off a bit. Places that you may need a little bit of squaring. And with the rasper. We're going to do that later on in another video. Okay. So we have to square it. As you can see, it's way out of the back. That's the first time I've done it in years. But anyway, beat out. But we have to square it, and that's what you get. As you can see at the bottom here, it's a bit out. Okay, so we square that in the coming videos. Okay, and this is what it looks like. Got yourself a queen, and all there is to it is doing a bit of rasper, a little bit, not much, a lot of sanding. And then painting. So one colour, one side will be one colour and the other side will be another colour. So then the two sides will know which team it is, and that's how you play chess. You have different colours. There's 16 pieces to each set. Different type of pieces. Anyway, thank you for listening and watching. God be with you all and bless you all. Bye.